Kia ora, my name's Julie and I'm from the Education Group. I would like to welcome you and let you know about a workshop we're running called the APDP workshop, and it's targeted at both current and aspiring assistant and deputy principals. It's a workshop where we focus on what are those tools that you need in your leadership kitty to allow you to be able to lead with impact across your teams. The workshop covers a myriad of different areas over the 2 days. It's about understanding new insights, it's about professional readings, and it's about discussions and networking with your colleagues. So we look forward to welcoming you, and I'm sure that you'll have a great 2 days with us. If you would like to book, please go to our website and look for the book online button under our APDP workshops.